Hello, everyone. This is Jim Krasinski with your Week 1 Screencast video. So, this is a 16-week online 1101 course, and I want to point out a few things that maybe didn't get discussed in the course orientation video here. I'm sure everybody should have recognized the textbook in the Google Doc format. Also, we'll get to the PDF in a minute. The course orientation video will give you the basics on how this Blackboard site is organized. So what I do each week is I produce a screencast video, usually around on the weekend or on Monday, to discuss the week's activities. Always try to get it in before assignments that might be due on Tuesday would be affected. So I try to get that in early on the weekend or on Monday at the latest. Also, you'll notice that each week, Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday are the 3 due dates. You can count on something being due those days. Generally, the first week is going to be a little slow because we're going to orientate ourselves to the course. So the idea here is you've got the course orientation video. We do have a discussion board due this week. It is discussion board number 1, the Icebreaker Forum. Also, there is a student questionnaire I'm looking to have students complete. That'll be due on Tuesday. I will produce lecture videos to discuss the syllabus later in the week, and also any questions or issues about Google Drive as I see our participation develop over the course of the week. So you will see the responses are due for the discussion board on Sunday. Also, there is a syllabus and Google Drive exercise that has been uploaded to the course unit 0. I'll get to that in a minute. So that's our activities for the week. I urge everyone to make this video, the weekly screencast, a priority. I really do express my expectations through the weekly screencast and also the lecture videos, but also how all of our activities build toward your success, whether it's an assignment or a discussion board. I always want to make sure that everybody's headed in the right direction. So remember now, if you're getting into the course units, the unit 0, right, is course orientation. What we have here is the videos once again, also about the Google Drive account and how we're going to use Google Drive this semester. Here's a link to the student survey. You just can click on that. It's a really short 5-question survey. Here is a PDF copy of the textbook. If you want to download a PDF copy of our textbook, you can do that right here. Save it on your computer. That's great. If you have access to a printer, you can print it. That works well too. Also, you have the Google Doc format here. You can open this up and add that. You should be able to add it to your drive, or you should have it there at hand. Also, there's an alternative site for some of the readings. Later this week, I will post a video about what College of Learning is all about. Here is the Google Drive instructions with our course folder, if you click on the link here, and also a video tutorial about how Google Drive will work. Also, toward the end of the week, I have a syllabus and Google Drive exercise where you're going to want to interact with this syllabus, make some comments and annotate that, and upload it there for some bonus points. This is not calculated in your course total, so you might want to take advantage of that activity and start the semester on the right foot, right? So these are our activities for the week. Everything is pretty much straightforward. Take your time and read through all of the all of the items here in the course folder, and you also have the Google Drive and syllabus activity. All right, so look for lecture videos this week, as I mentioned here in the announcements. I've got a couple of them. I'll have another one about Google Drive if there's any items I need to clarify. Also, I'll talk about the syllabus as I see some comments coming in about the syllabus. I think I've got everything covered for the first week. As we go through the semester, you will find that my screencast might get a little longer. as we move into more activity. So the first week I want to make sure everybody's all set up in Google Drive, acquainted with Blackboard and the discussion boards. And I think that's about it for the first screencast video. That being said, good luck, stay safe, and if you have any questions, send me an email.